you're gonna look at that money, you're gonna look at that bank account, and if there's, you know, 5,000 in there, 3,000 in there, you're gonna find out a way to do this. Spend all of it, because that's human behavior.
What I really liked about the class is that he explained on how you should separate your profit. It shouldn't all go into just self-profit. It should go into your taxes, your employees, your savings, your and of course, you know, you need to pay yourself. So I thought that was really interesting because I didn't know that to separate my taxes. I never thought about that. So that was the key point for me today.